Good afternoon, everyone. Now I'm out running in the forest, and I just wanted to share this quiet forest. There are birds twittering, singing, but in far distance I can hear traffic. I've been running now about 6K, and I might run another 6K. Running is like not running for me. It's more meditation. My goal, I still not have any goal, but for me it's that I'm in a state of not thinking anything, and I'm free from my thoughts. It's not easy, but I might have like some minutes, couple of minutes that I do not think anything. Then I feel like I'm so light in my body and in my head, and I feel like it's cleaning both inside and outside of me. This was all I wanted to share now when I'm running in the forest, and I hope you can also be out in nature, breathe in fresh air, and have your own time. Have a nice evening. Bye.